Alright then, just looking at Verasity on the daily time frame today. As we can see, we've come and touched our 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is the level that I have been targeting ever since we got down here really and started back testing this level and not breaking below this 0.23 Fibonacci level at half a cent. Obviously a big psychological support, as well as being, as I've always said and will continue to say, this very strong channel low of this huge channel we've been in of support for Verasity. Pretty much every single time we've touched this level, as you can see, we created the level, you would say, around here where we first came down. Retest here, retest here. We have our previous bull market, we come down, retest again, retest again, retest again. Every single time that we've hit this level, we have bounced. And you can see here for Verasity, no exception this time. We came down into this level again. After bouncing the previous time, we broke up above our Fibonacci outside of our descending wedge last year. Back tested our 100 moving average. We came up, touched our Fibonacci above the 0.38 at just under 1 cent. Obviously lost momentum here with Bitcoin having a retrace. Verasity retraced as well. And now with Bitcoin up above 60k now today. Crazy times. Ethereum well above 3k. I think it's around 3.3k right now as well. We've seen the whole market just rising in line with that somewhat. You can see here Verasity basically doing almost a 2x off this low. Very nice gain here off the lows, but you can see very simply what's happened. Just putting in a little bit of a range right now between these two levels, waiting for that altcoin season where momentum will shift for altcoins. Obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum and some of the large caps are starting to move. Once capital rotates into smaller caps like Verasity, hopefully we can see Verasity coming up, breaking this $1 area of resistance that we've been stuck under the whole bear market. I think if we do start to get above this level, we will see ourselves back testing and heading up through our Fibonacci levels for the bull market. You can see here, obviously we've got to get back to our all-time high first. From the current price, still looking at about a 10x from the current price back to the all-time high, which is currently sitting at around 8.5 cents. We are sitting at around an 1/8 of a cent right now, so about a 10x to the all-time high. And then obviously beyond that, we've got our targets. As I've always said, we've got some very nice targets going upwards for Verasity. Upwards of 50 cents to $1 I think is very achievable. That's only a 5 or a 10x really of the all-time high previously. And I think considering everything that Veracity's got going for it, you don't need me to tell you about that. We are going to see ourselves having some very nice price movements going into this next bull market. Things right now in the local area just heating up, still consolidating, and we are basically just waiting for that next move to the upside. You can see once we break through anywhere from this 1 to 2 cent level here, there's a lot of resistance that has been formed here. I think once we start to get above this, head up through our Fibonacci levels, we will be looking good. But you can see here, loads of volume for Verasity during this bear market, lots of accumulation, lots of sideways, very similar to the previous bear market I should say. And now in this bear market, looking like it's coming to a close, going into the next bull market. Let's see what we can do.